Today on the Cobra build, we got the rims from Kremyr Racing, but we need to get them widened. So I'm going to take them to Green's Automotive so they can show us how. Alright, welcome back to the channel. So we just got back from Green's wheel repair and we picked up the rims from Widening. So we're going to put a link in the description so that way you guys can check out their website and see their work. So let's get to it and see what they did. So what we started off with was an 18 by 11 Kremyr Racing rim. The tires we want to put on the car are 335s and the 11-inch rim won't accommodate that. So we took it to Green's wheel repair to get them to add 2 inches to the rim to be able to accept the 335-inch tire. Now the diff was already cut, so we couldn't add it to the inside of the rim to not ruin the finish. We had to do it to the outside. Now as you can see, the quality at Green's is impeccable because we have a finished lip on the outside that you cannot even see where the welds were. So again, it goes to show how high quality these guys are. In the last part of this episode, we're taking the rims back to Kremyr Racing so he can finish assembling the chassis. In the description, you'll find a link to both Green's Automotive and to Kremyr Racing. If you like what you see, please subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. That's all that we have for you today. Thanks for watching.